Hello and welcome back to Cabin Organic. Are you getting chicks anytime soon? In this video we're going to share a do-it-yourself project of how you can build your own brooder box for your new chicks. We decided to go with the Rubbermaid bin idea because that's what we happen to have lying around. These bins are extra long, so it's about 3 feet long and about 1.5 feet wide. Brian used a really sharp blade and cut a square on 2 sides of this lid, and then he built a very simple wooden frame and stapled some hardware cloth over the frame, and this frame just sits very nicely on top of the openings. Brian also carved out some little notches on the bottom so that they sit right on top of the frame without being able to push them off very easily. If you have dogs in the house or wherever you're keeping your chicks, or small children, it's really important that your lids fit really securely and can't be knocked over. We really like these extra long Rubbermaid bins because you can have the 2 openings, so you have plenty of room for your heat lamp to hover above one of the openings, and then you have the other opening for you to enjoy or to handle your chicks. You just take your frame off, and it's a very convenient design. We're going to do a separate and more detailed video on getting ready for chicks. This one is on just building your brooder box. But once your chicks arrive, hopefully you've got your brooder box filled with your bedding material, whatever you've chosen. You've got your heat lamp set up. You've got your feed and your water in there. And your brooder box, it has become a cozy and safe place for your chicks to start their life. And I thought I'd also add this video of this tiny little roost that Brian built. You could really build it out of all kinds of materials, but it is fun to put little roosts in for the chicks to play on and perch on. It's really, really cute. I hope this video was helpful for you, at least to give you one option when you are getting ready for chicks and setting up your brooder box. Good luck with your chicks! And please subscribe for more videos by Cabin Organic.